Experience the future of elegance and adventure with the 2025 Skoda Kyliaq. This SUV brings together modern design, cutting-edge technology, and incredible versatility. Designed to dominate both city streets and rugged terrains, the Kyliaq is here to redefine what an SUV can be. Welcome back to All About Cars. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Skoda Kyliaq, a revolutionary SUV that's setting new standards in its segment. The 2025 Skoda Kyliaq stands out with its striking design. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic silhouette give it an aggressive yet refined appearance. The rear features dynamic taillights and a rugged bumper, emphasizing its adventurous spirit. Inside, Skoda has crafted a cabin that blends luxury and practicality. Premium materials, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated ambience. The state-of-the-art infotainment system, with a massive touchscreen, voice controls, and wireless connectivity keeps you connected on the go. Under the hood, the Kyliaq offers multiple powertrain options, including efficient hybrid and electric variants. The advanced all-wheel drive system and off-road mode ensure you can tackle any terrain with ease. Plus, Skoda's latest safety features, like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, make it one of the safest SUVs on the market. Looking into the future, the 2025 Skoda Kyliaq is a game-changer for SUV enthusiasts. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of modernity, sustainability, and performance. Whether you're navigating urban jungles or exploring the great outdoors, the Kyliaq is designed to be your ultimate companion. So, what are your thoughts on the 2025 Skoda Kyliaq? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All About Cars for more exciting automotive updates. Stay tuned for more.